Good morning, student. Now today we will start chapter 10 practical geometry. In this chapter we made various shapes. Okay. First, construction of a line parallel to a given line through a point not on the line. Now in this, first we make a line L or take a point outside P. Okay. First step. And second step, we meet point P to point Q. Okay. Now we use compass here. We take Q as a center. We make an arc. Here you see that in this way. Okay. Make an arc. With same radius, we make another arc from P as center. Okay. Now we measure the distance between these 2 points with the help of compass, and with same distance we cut the arc in this way. Okay, in this way. Okay, now we name it R. Now we join point P and R. Now through P we make a line. Name it N. Okay. In this way we make a line parallel to a given line through a given point. Understand? Now we repeat it again. In this, first we draw a line L and take outside a point P. Now join P and Q with help of scale. Now we take compass and Q as center. We cut an arc. Cuts PQ and line L. Now with the same radius, P as center, we cut another arc from P. Okay. Now measure the distance between these 2 points with the help of compass, and now put the compass on this point and cut another arc. It cut at point R. Now join PR. We get a line M which is parallel to L. How we can say that M parallel to L? Because angle PQ, suppose that here a point S, PQS is equal to angle QPR. Equal, we say it alternate interior angle. Therefore, line M parallel to N. Okay. Now student, we start exercise 10.1. Question number first. Draw a line say AB. Okay. Construction. Draw a line say AB. Take point C outside it. Through C draw a line parallel to AB. Okay. First we draw a line AB of any length. Name it A and B. Now we take a point C outside. Now we join C to any point of AB. We take D here. Okay. Now again with D as center, we make an arc which cuts CD and line AB at point E and F. Okay. Now with the same radius C as center, we cut another arc which cuts CD at G. Okay. And here we take another point H. Understand? Now with the help of compass, we measure the distance between E and F. After measure the distance between points E and F, we put the compass at the point G and cut an arc. We name it a point I. Okay. Now match it I and C. I and C. Okay. We get another line. We name it P and Q. Okay. In this way, we draw a line parallel to given line through a given point. Okay. Now question number 2. Draw a line L and draw perpendicular to L at any point on L. On this perpendicular, choose a point X 4 cm away from L through X. Draw a line M parallel to L. Okay. Now we make first we make a line L. Okay. Name it. Now we take any point P. Any point P. Now we take A here. Okay. Now with A as center, we make an arc. Okay. With the same distance, we cut 2 arcs, and from here we cut it and we make a perpendicular line. Okay. Understand? Now with the help of scale, we measure 4 cm. Suppose that here the distance between A and B 4 cm. A and X. Okay. Now from X we make with the same radius an arc. Okay. Now measure the distance between these 2 points. Now put the compass on this point and cut an arc. We name it B. Now join B and X. B and X. Okay. This line. Now from here we take another point C. angle XAC is equal to angle AXB is equal to 90 degree. 90 degree. In bracket, alternate interior angle. Therefore, line M parallel to L. Okay. In this way, we make it. Now question number 3. Let L be a line, P be a point on L. P be a point not on L. Through P draw a line M parallel to L. Now join P to any point Q on L. Choose another point R on M. Through R draw a line parallel to PQ. Let this meet L at S. What shape do the two sets of parallel line enclose? Okay. Now first we draw a line L of any length. We take a point P outside. And now we take a point Q on L and join PQ. Join PQ. Okay. We make the same angles. First with Q as center we draw an arc. With same radius P as center we draw an arc. Now measure the distance between these 2 points and with same distance we cut here. Now join it. Okay. This line, name it M. Now we take another point R. We take another point R. Okay. Understand? Now from R we make a line parallel to PQ. First we measure this radius and with this radius we make an arc. Now measure the distance between these 2 points. Okay. Now we put compass here and cut the points, and through R we make a line which cut line L at point S. Okay. Here you see that angle P is equal to angle R, corresponding angle. Okay. Angle Q is equal to angle R. Understand? And angle Q is equal to angle S. Now you see that this enclosed figure between two parallel lines PQ and RS and two other parallel lines M and L form a parallelogram. Okay. Between parallel lines we get a parallelogram from PQRS. PQSR. Okay. PQS and R. Understand? Thank you, student.